Hello, welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Grace and I have the pleasure of taking you around this beautiful 2021 model year Vantage Coupe finished in midnight blue. This car is also a 7-speed dogleg manual. Starting at the front of the car, we can see that we've got a lower body pack in graphite. We also have a mesh grille at the front of the car. Looking at the wheels, these are gloss black diamond turned snowflake wheels, and they also have an anodized caliper hidden behind them. We also have a chrome window finisher, which I think adds a little bit of elegance and class to the car. So the theme of chrome continues through to the back. We have the Aston Martin Wings badge in chrome, and we also have the Aston Martin script finished in chrome as well. So looking at the bottom of the car, the diffuser matches the body colour of the rest of the car, and we can see that the back of the car is also broken up by this lovely red rear light. So here we are in the interior of this Vantage Coupe's cabin. I just wanted to show you some of the main features that we have inside. So let's start with the environments. The main environment here, as you can see, is black Alcantara. And then we also have the higher wearing areas of the seats covered in leather. So looking at the doors, we can see that we've got gloss black inlays, and we also have a few other features which have gloss black surrounding them. We also have a satin jewellery pack, which again ties in very well with the gloss black inside the cabin, and you can see that it's all kind of pulled together and really complements each other in the centre console here. The centre console also has a touchpad, so you can look through the navigation and through the radio with ease. And then we also have a closed stowage armrest where you can store your keys and things like that, and we have 2 cup holders here next to the seats. So the crown jewel of owning this particular Vantage manual is that it is a dogleg manual, and the car also has Aston Martin shift, which means 2 things. Firstly, when you are going up the gears, it means that you can put your foot on the throttle and you don't need to touch the clutch when you're changing gears. You can just carry on as usual, pull the gear stick down, and away you go. When you're coming down the gears, the car will rev match for you, which makes for a much smoother gear change. Another feature of owning this car is that it has a limited slip differential, which is matched with a Graziani gearbox, which actually makes owning the Vantage manual 70 kilograms lighter than if you own a Vantage Auto. So owning an Aston Martin Vantage manual is actually a very unique opportunity. Aston Martin no longer creates Vantage manuals, and this car also has an AMG engine inside of it. So thank you very much for watching this video. This car is now available from new at HWM Aston Martin. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.